So this was a little test, this was a little sample, just to see what this green screen can do, you know what I'm saying? But
yes,
y'all know what it is.
Forever.
Let's get it. DMCA. Hey, it's really good to have you here. It's really good to have you right here. Locked in, tuned in, the most creative apparel coming at you straight. You understand that? Coming at you straight. So look, check it out, y'all. We screen print, we DTG, we do embroidery, we do the decals, we do the stickers, we do the coffee mugs, we do the socks, we do the lanyards, we do the cell phone cases. Y'all understand that? Do you guys get that? It's the most creative. Literally, everything's custom here, man. If you got an idea, if you got something that you want to see on shirts, hoodies, beanies, let us know, and we can provide that service for you. You guys understand that? Y'all need to stop acting like y'all don't see us. Y'all need to stop acting like y'all don't know we're right here. Local 253. Come check us out. You know, come see what we about. Come try us out. You ain't got nothing to lose, but you got everything to gain when you deal with DMCA the right way. When you come at DMCA and you got an order, and you follow through with that order, you say, hey, look, I want to get such and such. I reach back out to you. We reach back out to you. We say, look, what you need. You tell me everything you need, and you fall through. You act all fickle. Look, you came to us, so follow through. Now, when you come at DMCA, you gotta come correct, because what we do here is we don't play no games. We go super hard on the custom apparel. We go super hard on the custom everything. Y'all gotta understand that. It's DMCA, the most creative apparel. If you got a design you wanna see on a shirt, if you got a design you wanna see on a hoodie, y'all gotta get with us. Come check out DMCA. www.DaMostCreative, that's DaMostCreativeApparel.com. Come check us out. You gotta support the local shops, man. Support the local businesses, man. And buy black. So all y'all brothers and sisters out there, support DMCA. Everybody come support DMCA. It's more to it. It's way more to it than what we can see. We do everything. Custom apparel. Everything's custom. Come check us out. DMCA. It's good to see you here. Now make an order and let's get it.